Here's a really cool feature known as Ultra Anti-Flicker. This is a very underrated feature found on your OnePlus 12, 12R, or even the OnePlus 13 phone. To see if your OnePlus phone has this feature, use the quick access and tap on the settings toggle right here. And of course, you can also try the search settings here, type in Ultra. And usually as you start to type in the words Ultra, you'll see the suggestion right there. If you don't see it while you're typing, you can also check underneath the display settings. So go down to display and brightness right here. And once here, go down some more into where it says eye comfort and sleep, this option right here. Then from here on, go down some more until you see flicker reduction. At default, it's going to be turned on, and you also have this here selected, or the standard one, okay, which is going to be reduces screen flicker using DC dimming for medium to high brightness, okay. And this has been a feature for a very long time on OnePlus devices. If I can recall way back from the OnePlus 7 Pro going up. Yes, I actually had every other OnePlus phone from OnePlus 7 to 8 to 9, 10, 11, 12. That's really awesome. Like and sub.